Everton against Tottenham Hotspur at the new Hill Dickinson Stadium in Liverpool. Everton's new stadium has a capacity of just under 53,000. From sunny Monaco to rainy Liverpool in 4 days, another away day with Spurs. Thomas Frank gave new signing Randall Colomani his Premier League debut. In the 19th minute, Van de Ven scored his first from a corner. Then the Dutchman made it 2-0, scoring again from a corner, sealing his brace. After coming on, Pape Sarr sealed the game in the 89th minute, 3-0, his second goal in the Premier League this season. The game finished 3-0, a result to take us up to third in the table. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.